Hello everyone. Today I'm here with you with the topic of preposition. Let's begin the topic. First we see what is preposition. Preposition is a word or group of words which is used before a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase to show time, place, location or direction. Some examples of preposition are in, on, at, of, and to. Now we will go for a few rules of preposition. First we see preposition of direction. To refer to the direction, we use the prepositions to, in, into, on, and onto. Let's see them in sentences. She drove to the store. To is used here for direction. Don't ring the bell. Come right into the house. In or into the house. They both can be replaced. So here in or into is used for direction. Now we will see preposition of time. To refer to the one point of time, use the prepositions in, at, and on. See, where do we use preposition of time at? It's used for the times of the day, at 4 o'clock, for meal times, at lunchtime, for holidays, at Christmas, for expressions, at present, at the moment. Then we see use of in for months, in April, for seasons, in the summer, for years in 1990, decades in the 80s, for centuries in the 20th century, for long time period in the ice age, for the parts of the day in the morning. At the last, we will see the use of preposition of time on. It is used for days, for example, on Tuesday. It is used for dates, for example, on 15th June, and for the parts of the specific day on Monday morning. Now we will move for the preposition of place. So let's see, where do we use at for the places. At is used for some point. It is used for the top, bottom, or end of something. It is also used for group activities, for school or universities, for home, for work, and for shops. And in is used for 3D spaces, for territory, for car or van, for water, or for printed material. And on is used for surface, for floor, for right or left, for public transport, or for media. At the end, we will see the preposition of location. Use the preposition in for an area. For example, they live in the country. Then at for some point, she will find him at the library. Use the preposition on for some surface. For example, there is a lot of dirt on the window. This was all about some general rules of preposition. So let's meet in another video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.